In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to conditionally sum across categories in Power BI using DAX. Whether you're new to Power BI or looking to enhance your data analysis skills, this guide will help you leverage DAX formulas to achieve more insightful visual representations of your data. So let's get started and dive into this incredibly powerful tool. First, open Power BI on your computer. If you don't have it installed yet, you can download it from the Microsoft website. Power BI is a dynamic and interactive data visualization tool from Microsoft that allows you to connect, transform, and visualize data in a seamless way. It is important to ensure you're working with a clean, organized data set, as this will make your experience much smoother and more intuitive. Once you've opened Power BI, navigate your way to the Home tab at the top of the interface. This is where you'll find the tools and features you will need to begin creating your Power BI reports and dashboards. In the Home tab, look for and click on New Measure. Measures in Power BI are used to perform calculations on your data, and DAX, or data analysis expressions, is the language used to create these formulas. Now it's time to input the DAX code that will allow you to conditionally sum your data across various categories. This is a critical step, as the right DAX formula will enable you to compute values that meet specific conditions within your dataset. Now, the idea here is to apply logic that will sum data only when certain criteria are met, which is incredibly useful for dynamic reporting and analysis. When entering your DAX code, it's important to double check your syntax and ensure that each component of your formula is correctly positioned. A small mistake, such as a missing parenthesis or typo, can lead to errors or incorrect data visualization results. If you're unsure about your formula, make use of Power BI's suggestions and DAX formula guide to refine your calculation. As you write your DAX measure, keep in mind the structure of your data model. Being familiar with how your tables and relationships are set up will help you write formulas that truly capture and represent the insights you're looking to share. Power BI is a tool that encourages exploration and iteration, so don't hesitate to tweak your measures and test different approaches to achieve the best results. After you've successfully created your DAX measure, the next step is to use it in your visualizations. Apply the measure to charts, tables, or any other visual elements within your report to see your conditional sums come to life. This is where the real power of Power BI shines through, by enabling you to transform raw data into informative, actionable insights. And that's it! You've just learned how to conditionally sum across categories in Power BI using DAX. This technique not only enhances your analytical capabilities, but also empowers you to derive more value from your data. Remember, practice makes perfect, so continue experimenting with different DAX formulas to refine your skills.